We ready? Start. Before I come to other points, I think it is necessary for me to deal with the substitute motion which has been moved by my honorable friend full stop. Although it is in two parts, really it comes to this that there is a suggestion that the coal target for the third 5-year plan may be revised upwards from the present 97 million tons full stop. He said that this should be raised to 120 million tons and necessary transport arrangements should be made full stop era. In our country, our resources were such that we could find ourselves in an easy position. Obviously, we should always plan in a little easy manner our targets for coal production, transport, power, and some other basic things full stop. But we have to take a realistic view full stop. If our overall resources are limited, financial and the like, we have to make optimum use of whatever those resources are, and we have to fit in various competing priorities within the overall resources full stop. This is a matter which was discussed at great length when we were discussing some days ago our third 5-year plan full stop. The third 5-year plan has now been approved by Parliament after a very lengthy and a detailed discussion in both houses of Parliament full stop era. Howsoever tempting this idea may be appear to be, namely that we should plan for more transport, for more coal, for more power, and for a number of other things which are basic, they have to take their chance and they have to be fitted within the overall resources that are available full stop. It is true that when the first exercise was made about the target for the third 5-year plan, the working group that was entrusted with this task came almost to the conclusion that the figure should be round about 120 million tons full stop. But I would like to share with the Honorable House the processes that were gone through before the figure was arrived at full stop era. What should be the total requirement of steel to maintain a certain tempo of development in the course of the next 5 to 10 years? We had to start somewhere full stop. So we started with steel full stop. With so much more steel, what should be the additional quantity of coal that has to be raised not only to feed the steel plants but the additional transport that will be required for them?